Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to swap source and target language and DeepL. So actually guys, at first you will need just to open up your favorite browser and go and type on the search engine DeepL.com and then just sign in with your account. And now all you need to do is to locate the target and the source, or the source and the target language. So the English right here on, or in this case, is the source, and the Arabic is the target. So I do really want to swap them. Okay, so I want the Arabic as the source and the English as the target. So all you need to do is to go and click on the swap icon right here. Okay. So once you click it, you will swap them, as you can see. Believe it or not, it's only by one click. So you don't need to go, for example, to click on the source and just look for English and then go and look for Arabic, or you want the Arabic right here and you want the English right here. So it's so simple. You will need just to click here, and if you want to reswap them, you will need to click back at, or to click it back. Okay, so there are multiple languages, not only Arabic and English, as you can see. Of course, all the languages in this world actually on the DeepL.com. So I do really advise you to use it if you want to translate your texts, documents, like the PowerPoints, PDFs, Word, etc. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.